mention, di ba yung sinasabi kasi natin na how sometimes people are hesitant to start because they don't know how to start their business. So there's no key ingredient on how to start. You just have to start it. And we are lucky enough that in our platform, we already have the tools and the trainings. We already have the blueprint, di ba? So kung magaling kang mag-follow ng instructions, which I feel like lahat naman tayo, we all know how to follow instructions. So that means that this business will work for you. The trainings and the tools that we have. So when we started our business, we have the trainings that we had to follow the step by step, and how do I say this? So this training is actually designed to people who are not tech savvy, who are like, from different backgrounds. Kasi our community is like full of so many people, like all walks of life, professional people, people from different industry, healthcare, construction workers, right, Sis Dara, mga engineers, and
anyone.
Everyone is like all walks of life are doing this business. So it's